Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30 days English speaking challenge. This is the day 20 and today's topic is I love my mother. A mother is one of the most special people in our lives. Today we will learn useful English sentences to express our love, respect and gratitude for our mothers. Listen carefully, repeat after me and practice speaking aloud. My mother is the most important person in my life. My mother is the most important person in my life. I love my mother very much. I love my mother very much. She always takes care of me. She always takes care of me. My mother is very kind and loving. My mother is very kind and loving. She works hard for our family. She works hard for our family. She wakes up early every morning. She wakes up early every morning. She prepares delicious food for us. She prepares delicious food for us. She teaches me good values. She teaches me good values. My mother supports me in every situation. My mother supports me in every situation. She always encourages me. She always encourages me. I share my feelings with my mother. I share my feelings with my mother. She understands me very well. She understands me very well. My mother is my first teacher. My mother is my first teacher. She teaches me right from wrong. She teaches me right from wrong. She helps me become a better person. She helps me become a better person. My mother is very kind. My mother is very kind. She listens to my problem carefully. She listens to my problems carefully. She gives me useful advice. She gives me useful advice. My mother always wants to best for me. My mother always wants the best for me. She makes many sacrifices for our happiness. She makes many sacrifices for our happiness. I respect my mother. I respect my mother. I'm proud of my mother. I'm proud of my mother. Role model. She is my role model. My mother is my best friend. My mother is my best friend. She stands by me during difficult times. She stands by me during difficult times. She always motivates me. She always motivates me. Her smile makes me happy. Her smile makes me happy. I feel safe with my mother. I feel safe with my mother. She cares about everyone in the family. She cares about everyone in the family. My mother is very responsible. My mother is very responsible. She teaches me to be honest. She teaches me to be honest. She teaches me to be kind. She teaches me to be kind. I'm grateful for everything she does. I'm grateful for everything she does. I enjoy spending time with my mother. I enjoy spending time with my mother. She makes our home a happy place. She makes our home a happy place. My mother is a blessing in my life. My mother is a blessing in my life. I always pray for her health and happiness. I always pray for her health and happiness. I want to make my mother proud. I want to make my mother proud. I will always love and respect my mother. I will always love and respect my mother. My mother is the greatest gift from God. My mother is the greatest gift from God. Today you learned useful English sentences about I love my mother. Practice these sentences daily to improve your spoken English and confidence. Remember, every day is a good day to express love and gratitude to your mother. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving. See you in the day 21 of our 30 days English speaking challenge. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.